From Aliexpress, of course. In today's video I will review 3 products, 3 cheap products. Let's start with the first one. It's 5 pieces. You can choose 18, 29, 38, 54, 68 millimeters LED hard filament. That works, it says, with 3 volts, 12, 57 volts, 80 volts. I can't believe it. If you connect them in series, maybe they will work on 80 volts. But they are starting to work from 3 volts. Alright, and I choose the yellow one, 29 millimeters, 5 pieces. That will be this one. And I got it. Bubbles. Alright. Whoa. And here they are. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. 1 bonus. Alright. Okay. What is this? What it says? Input voltage, it says from 2.8 to 3 volts, 300 milliamperes maximum. Okay. You need to be gentle. What? Why is not hard? In description it says hard filament Edison hard. This is flexible. I think I got the wrong order, but never mind, I got better. Flexible filament, look. Alright. And how you will know which one is positive, which one is negative? There is mark on positive with that dot. Can we see that? Yes, here it is, the dot. This one is positive. Alright. It's so small, but flexible. Set the power supply to not 2.8 volts. Okay, take one. This one is positive. This one is negative. What? It's pulling 190, almost 200 milliamperes at 2.8 volts. But look, it's flexible. You can see. I'm gonna increase the voltage, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. And this is super bright for me. And it's flexible, look. Whoa. Alright. Super bright. And the current must be limited because as they heating, they pull more current. Right now we are at 2.7 volts and the current is set on 200 milliamperes, but they are pulling 100 milliamperes. In instruction it says that no more than 300 milliamperes. These are great. Let's try to put one more like this. Now I have 2 of them. Take a look how bright they are. Just 2 of them. 2.7 volts, 200 milliamperes. Alright. Let's go to 3 volts. But to increase the amperes, 300, 400, and this is 500 milliamperes, 2.8 volts. Very bright. 30 millimeters long LED filaments, flexible. I got 6 pieces, in order says 5 pieces, and they are cool. I will make a cool project with this. Okay, next product. What are these? 10 pieces multimeter wire lead test hook clip electronic mini test probe set, red, white, blue, black, purple, random color, 10 pieces, $2.2 US. I got them. Ten pieces random color multimeter probe hooks, and these are very useful. Okay. For those who don't know, these are probe hooks and how they work. The wire will be connected right here in this hole, and on top there is a hook, so you can hook on the wire. Let me show you. Okay, it's connected now, and with the hook on top you can attach another wire like this. Now you have the connection between the two wires, which is nice, and you will make your own probe hooks using these, which are great. Also they can connect together like this if you have wires connected on these points. Basically they are for multimeters, not for connecting wires. And great! 10 pieces, $2 from Aliexpress. All the links will be in description below. Also you can open them. The wire will go through this hole on this metal thing. You can solder that and put it back. Okay. And what is this AliExpress product that cost $3 US? I ordered this model, which is quick wiring cable connector 2 or 3 pin universal compact electrical conductors SPL splicing splitter push-in home terminal block. And these are great. Come on, man. They have all kinds and they are very useful and practical. A bunch of them. Also, I got them. Beautiful. So why I love these connectors? They are quick wiring cable connectors. This model is 2-4, meaning that here you're gonna connect the neutral and the live AC wire, and you got two neutrals, 2 lives wire. Also, the material is a PC. I don't know what is that. It's rated current 32 amperes, and you can place wires from 0.08 to 2.5 millimeter wires. That is for AWG wires from 28 to 14. And the good thing that on these holes you can put screws, so you can place it and fix on something. And how they work: you take a wire, open them, place it, it's not going anywhere. Also in this one, place it, it's super strong, and you can reuse them all the time. Nice. For all products, the link will be in description below. That was all for today's video. Cheap modules or gadgets from Aliexpress. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!